Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. I am Shamala and you're watching Shimmy's Kitchen. So today I'll show you how I make quick and easy chicken fajita rice. These chicken fajitas are filled with great flavors from peppers, onions, chicken strips and spices. So let's start the process. Bismillah. First I'm going to slice 1 onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 capsicum and 1 yellow bell pepper. And next I'm using 500 grams chicken breast cut into thin strips. Add all the chicken strips in a bowl or a plate to combine with the marinade. Goes in 1 tablespoon red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt adjust as per your taste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Mix it up nicely and marinate this for 10 to 15 minutes. Heat 2 tablespoon butter in a pan. You can also use oil of your choice. Add the thin slices of chicken with the marinade and cook for 4 to 5 minutes per side or until the chicken is cooked. Once done, remove the chicken and set this aside. And next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon butter with 1 tablespoon oil in a same pan. Add 1 sliced onion. Saute till it becomes translucent and caramelized. And next I'm adding all tricolor bell peppers. And cook for 2 minutes in a slow flame. Goes in half teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Mix it up nicely. And to this I'm adding the cooked chicken. Mix well and cook for a minute on medium-high heat. And now I'm adding cooked Basmati rice. Give this a very nice mix. So guys, chicken fajita rice is ready to serve. Serve warm immediately with your favorite side dish and enjoy. It always makes the most tender, juicy, flavorful chicken fajitas with rice that are loaded with flavors. So it is so easy to make. So make sure you try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. And that's a wrap. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, give me a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Take care. Have a nice day.